So I'm back with a bump update because it has been forever. I think the last pregnancy video I did was when I was 12 weeks, and clearly I am not that no more. I am literally headed on to 22 weeks, and I just feel huge, even though I don't look it. Like I really haven't gained much weight, but I do have a belly, so I will be doing a bump update. But just to kind of give you guys a sense of what I have been experiencing so far, nausea is still kind of like, for me, nausea is still like touch and go. In the morning, there was like a couple of days where I was still throwing up, so I don't know, that's just a little, it was weird to me, but it was a couple of days where I was still throwing up. I don't have any more headaches, and for the most part I've been chilling pretty good, feeling the, you know, the baby kick. We just chilling, we chillaxing. So let's get into why you are here. Let's do the bump update, okay? And you guys get the first bump update because I have not even posted my bump on Instagram, which is kind of hard not to do, but here's the bump. Yeah, I was literally not this big with my son. My son sat real low, and I was still very, very skinny with my son. But yes, let's get into it. Yeah, my belly button is starting to just poke out. Yeah, there's the bump. This is why you guys are here. And I feel big. Like I'll literally be walking in the store with my husband, and my husband will be like, why are you breathing so hard? You're not even that big yet. And I'm just like, yeah, you carry around extra weight on your bladder in a store. So that's all that's been up with me. Honestly, I just really been chilling. Like, I've felt kicks since 11 weeks. So yes, I felt movement like from 11 weeks, and then it kind of stopped, and then my kicks started being like apparent, I want to say like week 17. And then at week 17 I had like a little pudge still. After 17 weeks, boom, like I literally popped. So, oh yeah, and what else? As for sleeping has been horrible. I toss and turn all night long. It really feels like I'm only sleeping for like 2 hours a night, but I'm really sleeping longer than that, only because I'm constantly turning from side to side. My back has been killing me. Like, I really want to go test out those pregnancy chiropractors and just see if they can like align my back, because my back has been like hurting. I have noticed that I feel more kicks on my right side than I do my left, and that's simply because I have a anterior placenta. So that means my placenta is like literally covering this part of my stomach, so my left part of my stomach. But I always feel kicks like low and on my right side, and then I always feel it on like my left side, but never like in the middle of like my stomach, if that makes sense. I am starting to feel kicks like above my belly button, so I'm pretty sure that my uterus is higher than my belly button, which is completely normal. I am super, super small, so my uterus is probably a lot higher than on some women who have like a longer torso. And other than that, yeah. Cravings, as for cravings, I don't really have like anything crazy. Again, I still always want pizza. I can pretty much eat anything now. At first I was like, it was some aversions where the smell is just horrible. The smell of hot sauce to me is still terrible. even though I used to love hot sauce, but the smell is just so strong that I just I can't get into hot sauce right now. And I used to love kava. I don't want it. I've been eating like a lot of Chick-fil-A. Like I have to have Chick-fil-A. Like it is, it's everything right now to me. In the beginning I was craving like peaches a lot, so that's kind of like subsided. Honestly, there hasn't been like too many crazy cravings, which is I guess normal because I didn't really have cravings like that with my son except for like Subway sandwiches. So other than that, I don't think I've had too many like super crazy cravings where I want to mix stuff together, and I haven't had any of that. So after my anatomy scan, which was done at 19 weeks and 4 days, I believe, because you can have it between 18 and 20 weeks, and they confirmed that we are having a girl. Woo woo. I finally went out and started buying pink stuff. Now, to me, it's still a struggle to buy pink stuff, only because with my son, they told me I was having a girl, and turned out to be a boy at the 3D gender scan that I took. But I did do a 3D at 18 weeks, and she also said it was a girl, so I finally bought some pink stuff. So I got the car seat, the stroller, bassinet, and I got the carrier that goes over you. So that's already done. And I guess right now I'm just like trying to figure out where the baby shower will be at this point. I know like a lot of moms are like super excited for like baby showers. I'm such a procrastinator that I really don't care about a baby shower. I didn't really care about a baby shower with my son either. I don't know what that's about, but I'm just not hyped for a baby shower, even though I should be because it's a girl. I can do so many things. But yeah, I'm just not hype about it. But I'm thinking my baby shower will be close to the end of May, early June. I don't want to be super hot. I don't know. I probably won't do anything outside. It'll definitely probably be like inside, catered. I don't want to cook. No. I don't want none of that. So I definitely have my theme, but I'm not going to release my theme yet because I want to do a video for it. So I'll probably do like a vlog of my baby shower, which will be fun. I do have a name, and I won't be releasing that until the baby shower. So we have some good stuff to look forward to. Yeah, that's about it. So I'll see you guys in my next video.